Stop scrolling through endless patio furniture pages. Most of them won't survive a single summer thunderstorm. I've spent weeks testing the top outdoor sofas, and one of these completely transformed my backyard, while another almost left me sitting on the bare deck. Today, we are counting down the top 7 outdoor sofas on the market, putting them through rigorous tests for weather resistance, cushion support, and long-term wear. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which setup is worth your hard-earned money and which highly rated options might actually leave you disappointed. 7. Lviden Wicker Patio Couch. When I first unboxed the Lviden Wicker Patio Couch, I was immediately drawn to its traditional woven aesthetic and compact footprint. Setting it up on the patio, the visual impression is exactly what you expect from a classic outdoor seating arrangement. The rattan wicker design looks sleek from a distance and promises to blend seamlessly with most backyard decors. However, the initial setup quickly turned into a test of patience as the pre-drilled hardware holes didn't align properly, forcing me to wrestle the frame into submission just to get the bolts threaded. Once assembled, I spent a few afternoons testing the actual seating experience. Here's what matters. The structural integrity feels adequate for occasional use, but the wicker material itself feels noticeably brittle under direct sunlight. When you sit down, there is a distinct lack of give in the frame, making the overall seating posture feel stiff and overly upright. If you are hoping to lounge horizontally for hours with a good book, this frame design fights against you, rather than supporting you. The cushions provided with this set are where the real compromises begin to show. Out of the box, they look plush, but after just 3 days of moderate use, the foam inserts compress significantly and failed to bounce back to their original shape. You end up feeling the hard metal support bars underneath your legs, which completely ruins the illusion of a relaxing outdoor retreat. I also put this couch through a simulated rain test to check its outdoor viability. The cushion covers claim to be water resistant, but water pooled on the surface and eventually seeped into the foam core. 6. Natural Expressions Patio Loveseat Sofa. The streamlined modern silhouette is incredibly attractive, and the powder-coated metal frame gives it an industrial chic vibe that looks fantastic on a modern apartment balcony. Assembly was significantly smoother here, with clearly labeled parts that slotted together without any aggressive maneuvering required on my part. During my testing phase, I noticed that the frame, while visually striking, has some vulnerability issues. I accidentally grazed the leg with a metal watering can, and the powder coating chipped off far too easily. Within a week of exposure to morning dew, that tiny scratch already started showing faint signs of rust. This means you will need to be incredibly careful when moving it around or placing it near hard surfaces. Comfort-wise, the Loveseat struggles with its ergonomic proportions. The backrest height is surprisingly low, hitting squarely in the middle of the back, rather than providing full shoulder support. When you lean back to relax, you feel unsupported, forcing you to constantly readjust your posture or hunch forward. It completely defeats the purpose of buying an outdoor sofa meant for lounging and conversation. The fabric quality on the cushions is slightly better than our previous entry, offering a nice textured feel that doesn't scream cheap polyester. However, the color fastness is questionable. After leaving it exposed to harsh afternoon sunlight for 2 weeks, the deep fabric color already started looking slightly muted and washed out. You will absolutely need to invest in a heavy-duty furniture cover if you want this Loveseat to look new by the end of the season. Ultimately, the Natural Expressions Loveseat is a stylish but flawed piece of furniture. 5. Vongrasig 5-piece patio furniture sets. The beauty of a modular sectional is the freedom it gives you. I spent a whole afternoon rearranging the corner chairs, armless sections, and the glass-top table into an L shape, then a long sofa, and finally separate conversational seating. The included seating clips actually work well, holding the lightweight pieces firmly together so they don't slide apart when someone sits down heavily. The build quality here is a noticeable step up from the bottom of our list. The PE rattan is woven tightly around a surprisingly sturdy steel frame. When I tested it by dropping into the seat with my full weight, there was no concerning creak or wobble. The wicker feels pliable rather than brittle, giving me confidence that it can handle fluctuating temperatures without snapping or unraveling over the winter months. Comfort takes a very positive turn with the Vongrasig set. The cushions are noticeably thicker, and while they aren't quite premium memory foam, they offer a highly respectable level of density. I sat on this set for 3 hours working on my laptop, and I never felt the support bars underneath. The covers are removable and machine washable, which is a massive relief if you have kids or pets who treat the patio like a playground. Weather testing yielded solid results as well. I left the set out during a heavy overnight downpour. The water didn't bead up perfectly, but the quick-drying fabric allowed the cushions to air out and be usable by mid-afternoon the next day. The tempered glass coffee table is a fantastic heavy-duty addition that easily wipes clean from pollen and bird droppings. If you love hosting and need flexible seating without draining your bank account, this set is a massive win. Four, COMLAX Field Outdoor Patio Furniture. From the moment I unpacked this set, the sheer weight of the galvanized steel frame told me this was built for serious longevity. It doesn't have that flimsy, hollow feel. It feels grounded, secure, and ready to withstand heavy winds without flying across your deck. What truly sets this option apart is the seating architecture. Let me explain. Most outdoor sofas have a very shallow seat depth, forcing taller individuals to sit with their knees awkwardly elevated. The COMLAX Field features a deep seating design that completely cradles you. When you sit back, your entire thigh is supported, allowing for a genuinely relaxed, sprawling posture that rivals your indoor living room couch. The high-resiliency foam cushions are the star of the show here. They are incredibly dense and wrapped in an olefin fabric that feels soft to the touch rather than scratchy or plastic-like. During my spill test, red wine beaded up instantly on the surface, allowing me to wipe it away completely with a dry paper towel before it could stain. That kind of stress-free maintenance is exactly what you want when entertaining outdoors. I was also incredibly impressed by the armrests. They are wide and flat enough to balance a small plate or a drink, adding an unexpected layer of functional convenience. The wicker wrapping on the arms is tightly wound and smooth, meaning no sharp synthetic edges digging into your skin when you rest your arms in the afternoon sun. The COMLAX Field is a spectacular investment for anyone who prioritizes ergonomic comfort and sturdy construction. It requires almost zero mental energy to maintain, looks undeniably premium, and provides a seating experience that will make you want to cancel your dinner reservations and just eat on the patio instead. 3. SERWALL 4 Pieces HDPE Outdoor Sofa Set. Breaking away from traditional wicker, the SERWALL 4 Pieces set brings HDPE, high-density polyethylene, into the spotlight, and it is an absolute game-changer for outdoor furniture. If you are tired of woven patio sets unraveling or looking dated, this set mimics the gorgeous, rich look of painted wood without any of the exhausting maintenance. It feels incredibly heavy, substantial, and practically invincible against the elements. During my testing, I left this set exposed to punishing UV rays, heavy rain, and even a simulated hail test. The HDPE lumber didn't flinch. It doesn't warp, it doesn't rot, and it doesn't lose its color. You never have to sand, paint, or waterproof this frame. When it gets covered in dirt or pollen, you simply hit it with a garden hose or a pressure washer, and it looks like it just came out of the factory box. The aesthetic is striking. It features clean, modern lines that look incredibly high-end, reminiscent of luxury resort furniture. The heavy-duty frame provides a rock-solid foundation, meaning the sofa doesn't shift an inch when multiple adults plop down onto it at once. It brings a profound sense of permanence to your outdoor space that lightweight aluminum or cheap wicker simply cannot match. The cushions provided with the SERWALL set are generously thick and tailored perfectly to the rigid frame. Because the seat base is entirely flat and solid, the cushions don't sag into gaps over time. The fabric holds up brilliantly against moisture, and the slight slant of the backrest provides a highly ergonomic lounging angle that feels supportive on the lower back for hours on end. 2. Natural Expressions Patio Furniture Set Sectional. This sprawling sectional is designed for the ultimate entertainer. The modular scale of this set is massive, comfortably seating 6 adults without anyone bumping elbows or fighting for legroom. The attention to detail in the construction is immediately apparent. The all-weather wicker used here is noticeably thicker and features a multi-tonal finish that gives it a rich, organic, hand-woven appearance. Beneath the Wicker lies a reinforced rust-proof aluminum frame that keeps the massive structure surprisingly lightweight, allowing you to easily unclip the sections and redesign your patio layout for different party sizes. Where this sectional truly shines is the premium cushioning system. These are not standard foam blocks. They feature a multi-layered density system that feels incredibly plush on the surface, but firm underneath. The seat depth is generous, and the back cushions are overstuffed, creating an enveloping, cloud-like experience. I accidentally fell asleep on this sectional during a sunny afternoon test. It is genuinely that comfortable. The weatherproofing on this unit is top tier. The solution-dyed acrylic fabric is highly resistant to UV fading. Even after weeks of direct exposure, the rich color remained vibrant and flawless. Water completely rolls off the surface, and the hidden zippers make it incredibly easy to remove the covers for a quick machine wash to keep them smelling fresh. If you have a large deck or patio and want to create an outdoor living room that rivals the luxury of your indoor space, this natural expression sectional is a phenomenal choice. It delivers massive seating capacity, undeniable high-end aesthetics, and a level of comfort that will make your backyard the go-to gathering spot for all your friends and family. One, HILLGA Luxury Patio Furniture Set. From the moment you lay eyes on this set, it commands attention. The architectural silhouette, the flawless integration of premium materials, and the sheer scale of the seating scream uncompromising luxury. It looks less like a standard patio set and more like a custom installation from a high-end landscape architect. The frame construction is an absolute triumph. Utilizing aerospace-grade aluminum, the HILLGA set is completely impervious to rust and corrosion while maintaining structural rigidity that can handle anything. The frame is accented with gorgeous, sustainable teak wood elements on the armrests and table surfaces, providing a stunning visual contrast that warms up the modern metal aesthetic and feels incredibly smooth under your hands. Comfort on the HILLGA is simply unmatched. The ultra-deep sitting is paired with cushions that rival luxury mattress technology. They utilize a quick-dry reticulated foam core wrapped in Dacron, meaning even if they get completely soaked in a torrential downpour, water drains straight through them, and they are bone dry in a fraction of the time of traditional cushions. You never have to frantically run outside to cover them before a storm. The fabric wrapping these incredible cushions is premium Sunbrella, the absolute gold standard in the outdoor industry. It refuses to fade, shrugs off stains with zero effort, and feels incredibly soft and breathable against bare skin. Whether you are hosting an elegant evening cocktail party or letting kids jump all over it with messy hands, this set absorbs the chaos and continues to look showroom perfect. The bottom line is that the HILLGA Luxury Patio Furniture Set is the absolute pinnacle of outdoor living. It requires zero compromises.